Advantages of single sideband and its main disadvantage over conventional EM. There are four predominant advantages of single sideband transmission over conventional double sideband, namely power conservation. Normally, with single sideband transmission, only one sideband is transmitted, and the carrier is either suppressed or reduced significantly. As a result, much less total transmitted power is necessary to produce essentially the same quality signal in the receiver as is achieved with double sideband full carrier transmission. Next is bandwidth conservation. Single sideband transmission requires half as much bandwidth as conventional AM double sideband transmission. This advantage is especially important today with an already overcrowded radio frequency spectrum. Noise reduction. Because a single sideband system utilizes half as much bandwidth as conventional AM, the thermal noise power is reduced to half that of a double sideband system. Last is selective fading. With double sideband transmission, the two sidebands and carrier may propagate through the transmission media with different paths and therefore experience different transmission impairments, causing a phase shift that can in turn cause them to add in such way as to cancel one another rather than add up to the original AM signal. Such cancellation or selective fading is not a problem with the single sideband since only one sideband is being transmitted. In terms of disadvantages in single sideband, first is complex receivers. The main disadvantage of an SSB signal is that they are harder to recover or demodulate at the receiver. The modulation depends upon the carrier being present. If the carrier is not present, then it must be regenerated at the receiver and reinserted into the signal. To faithfully recover the intelligent signal, the reinserted carrier must have the same phase and frequency as those of the original carrier. This is a difficult requirement. Next, tuning difficulties. Single sideband receivers require more complex and precise tuning than conventional AM receivers. This is undesirable for the average user.